1. If you add 2 and 6, what's the answer? 2. What is the size of a particle? 3. Who can best answer a legal question? 4. The best story came at the end. When did it come? 5. He bought nothing. How much money did he spend? 6. The men were walking north and then turned left. Which way were they going then? 7. Mrs. Smith told her husband, "I'm inviting Mr. and Mrs. Jones to the house for dinner, along with their children, Jack and Peter." How many guests are coming to dinner? 8. The soldiers had a 5-minute break. What did they do? 9. Who broke the window? 10. The mechanic will inspect your car tomorrow. What will he do? 11. The teacher asked, "What are the properties of water?" What does he want to know? 12. How old are your children? 13. Do you always drive so quickly? 14. Frank notified his employer. What did Frank do? 15. His engine cut out when he was at 8,000 feet. What happened to his engine? 16. Mr. West was talking to the hotel clerk about a room for the weekend. He asked the clerk, "When is checkout time?" What did the clerk answer? 17. The mechanic turned off the ignition switch because the battery was dead. What did the mechanic do? 18. The woman asked the man to make up his mind. What did she want him to do? 19. Joe has supper at 4 o'clock. He eats in the cafeteria. He always has a good appetite. When does Joe have supper? 20. We moved into a new house when our family began to multiply. Why did we move into a new house? 21. The weather is so bad that I'm surprised you could come by plane. How did you do it? 22. Lieutenant Jones needs a flashlight because he can't see. Why can't he see? 23. I don't know what time it is because my watch is on the blink. What is wrong with my watch? 24. Those people never saw so much smoke in their lives. What are they looking at? 25. Joe cut himself very badly. What did the doctor tell him? 26. Mary brought her dog. 27. Ray wants to be elected. 28. Susan has just finished a letter from her father. 29. Bob should stay home today. 30. Ralph was ready to depart. 31. Eric's home is somewhere between St. Louis and Kansas City. 32. The weather is so cold that she doesn't want to go out. 33. Bill will go to the doctor if he feels worse tomorrow. 34. The farmer has 2 cows and a dog, but he does not have any chickens. 35. The men listened to the teacher. 36. He had a chance of winning. 37. The soldier went to the chaplain for advice. 38. Mr. Smith can only do it Monday. 39. The wind did not damage the wheat. 40. $5 is the maximum price we expect to pay. 41. Sergeant Brown took off his goggles before he spoke to us. 42. They had already finished eating when we came in. 43. Mr. Jones obtained the information yesterday. 44. Keep in mind the directions I gave you. 45. Take your time. 46. Peter is hungry. 47. I like digests, which present stories or articles in shortened form. 48. The sun radiates light. 49. New supplies were unavailable. 50. He was not allowed in the room. 51.
What did you tell them?
That the situation is critical.
What did the man mean?
52. Have you seen your cousin?
No, I don't know what has become of him.
What doesn't the woman know about her cousin?
53. Which one is Matthew?
The one standing among the school children.
Where is Matthew standing?
54.
Did you add those numbers to get a total, Sam?
Yes, Mary, but there is a discrepancy between my total and yours.
What do we know about Sam's total?
55.
When can you paint my house?
It's May now. I won't be able to paint it until July.
What does the man say about the house?
56. That looks hard. How do you do it?
Watch carefully. Anyone can do it.
What did the woman mean?
57. Your brother has really grown.
Yes, he's over 6 feet now.
What did the woman say about her brother?
58.
What do you need?
I need more of this chemical.
What is the man probably doing?
59.
Why did you run inside so fast?
I thought it was going to rain.
Why did the man go inside?
60.
Mary is running down the street.
Why would she do that?
What does the man want to know?